So, good day, sir. So, this video will explain my work for my assignment, which is the assignment number 1 for our CNC subject. So, first, let me show you my theories or yung pinasulat niyo po kanina sa amin. This is just the example you explained us kanina po. Yan. So, sinulat ko lang po, which is nakatulong po sa akin para po sa ating assignment. Then, this is my work po. This is my assignment po. Handwritten po. As you can see, I draw the sample you've given us. Then, I have here the assignation of the points. Okay? Just like what we did earlier po sa ating online meeting. Then, I have here the codes. I just write the codes there in the right order. And this is the continuation. As you can see po, medyo magulo po because there is erasure. Kanina po ako naghahanap dito sa amin, kaso wala po akong makitang eraser. Correction pen, so bale yan na lang po, pero malinaw pa rin naman po. So yun po yung aking code para po sa ating assignment. Start po sa G21, yung mga preparatory codes po natin, then follow lang po namin yung sinura po ninyo. And lastly po, makita nyo po yung M30, which is for the program and then reset. So that's it po. Now for the codes naman po, sir, I will explain the program itself. Okay, so nag-start po tayo sa pag-put ng ating preparatory codes which are G21. Ang ibig sabihin po ng ating G21 is millimeter programming units, followed by G17, which is our XY arc plane selection. We have G28 for our return to machine 0. And lastly, we have G90 for our absolute coordinate system. Then next block, I put T1 for my tool and M06 for spindle, automatic tool change. Then followed by our M03, which is the spindle on clockwise. Then S1273 for my spindle speed. The next naman po is I put na the G codes, which is the G0, X0, and Y0 for my origin. Then for the next block, we have G0, Z10. That Z10 naman po is my para po yung ating tool is lumabas na po ng hanggang 10 lang po. Then G0, X30, Y negative 24.67. That coordinate naman po is para papunta po siya sa ating P9. Then after that, as we can see, we have G1, which is ang G1 natin is the linear interpolation. Then Z negative 5 para bumaon na po yung ating mismong tool. Then we can see that there is F152.8. That 1 naman po is the feed rate. Then yun na nga po, G1 again for our linear interpolation, pupunta po siya sa coordinate natin na Y22.67. As you can see po, hindi na po ako naglagay ng ating X30 kasi po automatic na po yun na pupunta po siya sa X30. Then yun lang po, bali finalo ko lang po yung written in my notebook na codes. Yes, that's it. Wala naman po ako na miss. And siguro po after po nitong ating G03, ito pong X30, Y20, 24.67, R34. After po nun is, naglagay na po ako ng code ng G01 for our linear interpolation and Z10 para po umangat na po ulit yung ating tool. Then, I put M05 there, which is the meaning of M05 po is spindle off. Then, G00 again to return to my original position. Then, G28 po, the meaning of G28 is to return to machine 0, G0. Then lastly po is the M30, which is the program and end reset. Thank you po. Ito ko naman po sa inyo kung paano po nag-run yung ating program. So, basically ito po siya. Ito po natin yung codes. Gana po. Pati po yung ating toolbit. Okay, G1, Y22.67, G03, X24, G02. Yan po. So, bali, accurate naman po yung ating ilagay na codes. As you can see po, while running the simulation, tama naman po yung lumabas na ating mismong output, which is the same po nung ating sample na binigay nyo po. So, yun po.